Explore the strategies to cope up with the stress. In this presentation, we will explore general techniques to cope up with a high stress level. It may seem that there is nothing you can do about stress, the bills won't stop coming, and there will never be more hours in a day, and your career and family responsibilities will always be in demanding. But you have more control than you might think. In fact, the simple realization that you are in control of your life is the foundation of stress management. Managing stress is all about taking charge of your thoughts, emotions, schedule, and the way you deal with the problems. Let us start with a basic understanding of what is stress. Stress is the body's automatic response to any physical or mental demand placed on it. In response to stress, a natural chemical produced in our body. Is all stress bad? Here is a famous saying. Stress is like spice. In the right proportion, it enhances the flavor of dish. Too little produces a bland, dull meal. Too much may choke you. Moderate level of stress may actually improve performance and efficiency. Too little stress may result in boredom. Too much stress may cause an unproductive anxiety level. Now let us see few general causes of stress at workplace. Work overload, which includes unrealistic deadlines and expectation. Job security, which comprises of anxieties regarding job insecurity, future job change, and lack of job permanence. Another major cause of stress can be the inability of the work-life balance, which includes long working hours, work interfering with home or personal life, unsocial hours, and inflexible work schedule. It can also be less pay and benefits, few aspects of the job, lack of enjoyment of job, dull and repetitive work, poor physical working condition, dealing with difficult customers or clients. Let us study cycle of stress. Stressor is released in reaction to stress, which in turn causes wear and tear of body and organ system. It results in reduced optimum health and sensitivity to stress increase, which further result in release of stressors. Negative effects of stress can be physical, which include weight gain or loss, unexpected hair loss, heart palpitation, high blood pressure. Emotional negative effects of stress include mood swings, can lead to depression, can also lead to unhealthy coping strategies, that is alcohol or drugs. To deal with physical and emotional negative effects of stress, you must know how to manage stress. Nowadays, studying about stress management has become a very essential part of everyone's life, as excessive stress has negative effect on the health and happiness. Stress is an ignorant state. The main cause of stress is the inability to discover your real gifts and follow them to never feel stressed. Stress management is a predetermined strategies for coping with psychological or emotional turmoil. As part of a health benefits package, a company may offer stress management therapy to improve job performances. There are several methods to manage stress which comprises of stress relief strategies such as body relaxation exercise, covers breathing techniques and guided imagery. Physical exercise include yoga and workout routine. Meditation and counseling, which comprises of talk therapy and life coaching. Other general methods to manage stress include avoid stressful situations, changing how you react to stress and set up priorities, take complete control of situations, set up realistic goals, manage how stress affects you, discover new relaxation techniques and change how you see the situation. Few helpful tips to manage stress are change perception and expectation, break jobs or tasks into a manageable part, set reasonable or realistic goal, set boundaries, don't compromise your values or belief, and schedule me time. Benefits of stress management. It helps in the improvement of physical health and creates more energy and stamina. Stabilizes emotion by creating a positive attitude and making us more happier and hopeful. Improve the ability to focus and to learn and achieve. Life is a struggle. It's easy to play having good cards, but it takes courage and strength to play well. When you know you are about to lose, there is virtually something always positive that can be discovered in the toughest challenges we face. So, rise above the challenges with a great positive attitude and live stress free. This was a small presentation on secrets to manage with stress. Thank you.